Let us move to next or new chapter of our 12th standard chemistry. Chapter number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Names aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid suggests they are functional groups, and students, we have already studied functional groups in organic chemistry in our 11th standard. We had various functional groups in the chapter of hydrocarbons. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. I am going to draw structure of their functional groups or their representations, and then we will discuss the similarity present in between their structures. Aldehydes are represented as R, C double bond O, H. Ketones are represented as R, C double bond O, R. Carboxylic acids are represented as R, C double bond O, OH. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Students, after observing these structures, what similarity we find in these structures? Yes, we find all these structures contains C double bond O, and this is the very important factor in these structures. They all contain C double bond O, and this kind of structure is called as carbonyl group. Such kind of structure is called as carbonyl group, and this carbon is called as carbonyl carbon, which is double bonded to oxygen in these functional groups. These type of carbon atoms are called as carbonyl carbon, and these functional groups are called as commonly carbonyl functional groups. Students, can you remember some more functional groups we have such type of carbonyl carbon? Yes, there is a ester functional group. There is a acid anhydride, acyl chloride, amides, which contains such type of structures. Now we will move to classification of aldehydes. Aldehydes, RCHO is the functional group, and its classification is done in two ways. First is aliphatic aldehydes, and second is aromatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes. In our previous standard, we have studied the meaning of aliphatic and aromatic. Aldehydes word suggests these are examples of aldehyde family, but in aliphatic aldehydes, the CHO group, CHO functional group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon or saturated carbon atom. Saturated carbon atom means carbon-carbon single bond. There should not be carbon-carbon double bond to which this CHO is attached. That carbon should be sp3 hybridized. So, general formula is R, C double bond O, H. I will write one or two examples of aliphatic aldehydes. CH3, C double bond O, H. See here, this CHO group is attached to this carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized or saturated. Another example we have CH3, CH2, CHO. Here this CHO functional group is directly attached to this carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized or saturated. Therefore, this is the first type of aldehydes, that is aliphatic aldehydes. In aromatic aldehydes, CHO group is directly attached to aromatic ring. So, it will be represented as ArCHO. AR means aromatic ring, means CHO is directly attached to aromatic ring like benzene and its derivatives. Best example I will draw benzene ring and CHO attached to it. So it is fulfilling our definition that aromatic aldehydes CHO attached to benzene ring. We will see afterwards the name of this compound is benzaldehyde and it is the example of aromatic aldehyde. After finishing with classification of aldehydes, exactly similar way we will see classification of ketones. First type of ketones is aliphatic ketones. Exactly same definition, students. Representation of ketone is RC11OR. Definition is when or ketones in which carbonyl group is attached to alkyl groups from both sides. Carbonyl group is attached to alkyl groups from both sides are called as aliphatic ketones. Based on this definition, aliphatic ketones are further classified as follows. Simple ketones, which are also called as symmetrical ketones, simple ketones or symmetrical ketones, ketones in which same alkyl group is attached to both sides of carbonyl carbon. Such ketones are called as symmetrical ketones. Or in this type of ketones, simple ketones, same alkyl groups are present on both sides of carbonyl carbon or C double bond O. I will write examples of simple ketones: CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C2H5, C double bond O, C2H5. You can see C double bond O and left and right side, both sides, same alkyl groups are there. Here on left and right side of C double bond O, same alkyl groups, that is ethyl groups are there. And next type is mixed ketones. Or unsymmetrical ketones. Unsymmetrical ketones. In unsymmetrical ketones, there are two different alkyl groups attached on both sides of carbonyl carbon. Means these two alkyl groups are different, therefore we have written R and R dash. Let us see examples of mixed ketones also. We have CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. You can see, students, on left hand side there is a methyl group and on right hand side there is a ethyl group. Two different groups are attached, therefore it is the example of mixed ketones. Another example we will have C2H5, C double bond O, C3H7. Here on left hand side of carbonyl carbon there is a ethyl group and on right hand side of carbonyl carbon there is a propyl group. Therefore this is also the example of mixed ketones. And next type of ketone is, after aliphatic ketones, there will be aromatic ketone. If we know the meaning of aromatic, then it is very simple to understand this type. In these ketones, suppose this is our representation, R C double bond O AR, means R C double bond O R we have written here. Either one side of carbonyl carbon or both sides of carbonyl carbon are aryl groups are present or aromatic rings are present, means either one or both aromatic rings should attach to carbonyl carbon. Such type of ketones are called as aromatic ketones. We will write both types, one example each. Suppose this is our benzene ring, C double bond O CH3. Here we can see from one side there is a aromatic ring, C double bond O, that is carbonyl carbon, and then alkyl group, that is aliphatic group. And in another example we have benzene ring on both sides of carbonyl carbon. Therefore, these two are examples of aromatic ketones.
Done.
After finishing with classification of ketones, we have classification of carboxylic acids. Representation of carboxylic acid we have written here, RCOOH, R C double bond O OH, and this COOH group is called as carboxyl group. And definition of or classification and their definitions will be done on the basis of this carboxyl group attached to the further side. First type is aliphatic carboxylic acid, in which this carboxyl group is attached to aliphatic chain or sp3 hybridized carbon atom or saturated carbon atom. Example will be CH3 COOH. I told you this COOH group is called as carboxyl group. This carboxyl group is attached to this carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized or saturated. This compound is called as acetic acid. In next type, aromatic carboxylic acid. In this type, carboxyl group is directly attached to aromatic ring. Carboxyl group is directly attached to aromatic ring or its derivatives. So, example will be benzene ring, which is the best example of aromatic ring, and carboxyl group is attached to this benzene ring. This compound is called as benzoic acid and it is the example of aromatic carboxylic acids.